Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to BMO's World of Creations, and today I will show you how to build a club out of paper clips. So first you need your big tin of paper clips and your super hold tape from Scotch and your binder clips. So first we'll start out by building a table. You don't want the connected paper clips. So first we'll start out by building this, the stand, and then we'll build a square. You want to make your things colorful because you don't want them to be boring. So that's why I have these metallic ones to build with. And you don't want to connect them when you're building because it can be a little hard to build. So you want your colors like that, and you want to tape it from building the corners. So you're going to put a piece over there, overlap, push in, and there's your first corner. Now you're going to take the green paper clip and connect that to the top of the yellow one. That one you're going to tape through instead of around. So that one you're going to go over there and through and under and there. And now we're going to take our metallic blue and put it over, connect it to the green and then the red. Or the red then the green, whichever way is easier for you. You have your decision. You can either tape through or around. I prefer around. Now I will tape the bottom part. Now I have to fill this in. I have to unconnect these paper clips if I want to use them. And I will put them like that. And I'm going to put one here and one here. So now I'm going to tape this, and I'm going to go here and back under with it. So I go over, under, under to get them together. And then I want to do the same thing on the other side because we don't want it to be uneven. So on, under, under. And now we're going to do it with another paper clip. Now I'll put that one right there and do the same thing. But this piece you want a little longer because it's further in. So on, under, under. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to repeat it. And now we're going to do it one more time. This time, we're not going to go under. We're going to go just over and a little under. Not too much under like the other one. So we're going to go in the middle, under, under, and then we'll do a crossing over that. Under, under. Now you have this. Now you want to take that and connect it to that. So you're going to stick that up and pretend like it's a candle and you want this to be the fire. And you're going to take it and you're going to put this right here and then you're going to put it down. I prefer two separate pieces, but you could do it however is easy for you. You could go on, over, on, or you could just do the way I do it with the two separate pieces. Now, this is going on top, but it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to want to build like a little stand for it so that it doesn't fall. So I could put maybe a miniature box with the gold. That might work. Like a mushmash of gold might work. However you want to make it. I'm going to do a little mushmash of gold. And you're going to put it on and under, like the table. And you're going to do the same thing going the other way. So on, under, under. And then you're going to take this and you're going to go like that. So I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to put it a little on, not fully, and put it under and on, and it sticks. Perfect. If it doesn't stand up like for the table, then you might want to make it more sturdy than how you had it. Now we're going to tape the other side of the stand. Now, we could look at it on wood. Doesn't stand up that much because it's a little tilted, but it's okay. Now we need to build little chairs. The people, you could make them beforehand, if you prefer. Now we need to build chairs. So you're going to take 3 paper clips and line them up like this. You're going to do that twice. And you're going to go on and under again. And do the same thing on the ends. On, under. And on the other end as well. Now, this is where the people can sit. I have a sitting guy. And he can sit perfectly. Now we need to build the back. You don't want to build it too far up because then it can push the person up and it won't be right. So you're going to do the same thing again in the middle and on the ends with the line. Put them on. Wrap around. Perfect. On the ends. On. And again. And this, you're going to tape again, like that. And then I'm going to go like that. And now you have a chair for the first person to sit. This still does not stay up, but we don't have to worry about that right now. So we can put that aside. There's one chair, and we can build 2 chairs, or however many you want. If you want, you can go a slant like that, and on and there. Or you could just do it the way I showed you. Well, the first way. But now that I did that cross, I only need to build 2 of that. I might need to do 1 more, but you don't have to. Then you could take total different colors. And now I'm doing it the first way. I think it happens to be quicker. Think of it as wrapping it like a Band-Aid around a big finger. And there it is. Now we have to connect them again. I think you can start with the bottom. I think it's easier, but if you want to start with the where the person's bottom goes, feel free to do that. Now, what you can do is you can take this, put it, this is not working right. You could take the table and you could put it down. And then you could put the chairs across or diagonal. And that's your club. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe and turn notifications on so you can know when new videos come. Thanks for watching. Bye.